as a motherhood. Good morning. I love my hair today, but tomorrow I don't know. It's a butterfly cat, you know. It's a butterfly, and I love it so much. Kasi ang bet ko ay yung may pag-curl-curl yung buhok ko. And kumu-curl-curl siya. That's why I love it. And smooth yung ating hair today. Gusto ko kasi yung may pag-curl-curl. So, bumagay naman. And nagkikisama naman siya. So, okay na siya. By the way, it's the salamin of the bintana. And, you know, it's like that. And dito muna tayo mag-aura-aurahan. Wala tayong magawa today. Hindi mag-aura-aurahan na lang. I love it. Nood ko lang to sa Nood ko lang sa Black App. Yung ganitong hairstyle. And I tried. Okay naman siya. Well, I love it. Lalo na nakikisama siya. May bangs din kasi ako here. Yan. Mahaba na yung bangs ko. And yeah. Did you guys love it? The new hairstyle, lalo. Wala lang, I just wanna flex my hair, lalo. And so busy. So busy lang talaga. Walang life agenda. Kasi nag-apply ako ng work, guys. Alipin tayo ng salapi. Ayan lang. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And huwag kayong mawala. Huwag niyo kong iiwan. Nang ganun-ganun na lang. Iniiwan na nga, iiwanan niyo pa ako. Yan lang. Lolong, pakit lang.